Hey rabbits! Welcome to my channel! Today we will make the first bimbo lesson. So, what will our first topic be? It will be the definition of the word bimbo. First, let us check out the intro for the lessons. Our first topic is a bimbo basic rule. Focused about the question, what is a bimbo? When you're already active in a bimbo community, you would say that a via rocks, or a letter ocean, or candy charms are bimbos. And May, you would say that I'm a bimbo, so thank you very much when you say it. And May would say that this cartoon picture is an idealized representation of a bimbo. Things like XXL implants. Hey, it's me from the editing room. Do you think that my boobs are big? I don't think so. There are no XL implants. It's just 400cc. So I think I have to go bigger. What do you say about it? So you can move on. Bye. Also related is long, pristine, platinum blonde hair, lip fillers or lip lifts for big, puffy lips. These are definitive related to the term bimbo, but there are a lot of more. But what is the definition of the word bimbo? First, we have to look at the boring dictionary description of the word. After the Cambridge Dictionary, the word bimbo is a slang and disapproving noun, and it describes a young woman considered to be attractive but not intelligent. This definition is so boring, so we have to look what more common and urban definitions are. So we'll look at the Urban Dictionary. From the Urban Dictionary, describes a bimbo as a girl who is stupid, wears a lot of makeup, and is obsessed with boys and clothes. Generally blonde, but there are exceptions. Usually hang around with other bimbos. You can spot them because they will be in a big group of girls that all look the same and are jiggling hysterically. Another user from the Urban Dictionary, Kitty Kitty Cutie. Oh, that's such a cute name. She says a bimbo is a physically attractive but unintelligent woman and names an example. And the example is Paris Hilton. Nico H. from the Urban Dictionary describes a bimbo as a slut who blows everything that walks. So even when the definitions are quite negative, especially when they describe the traits or habits of a bimbo, they describe more or less the same. A bimbo can be identified via her visual appeal. A bimbo is a feminine, most often blonde, with a strong priority for enhancing her visual appeal, with artificial support like excessive makeup, big breast implants, and striking clothes. Furthermore, the definition makes claims about the mental and psychic preferences a bimbo has, which seem to be somehow connected to her physical appearance. A bimbo is stupid, egoistic, shallow, and not intelligent. Last statements are concerned with the social behavior of bimbos, explaining that bimbos seem to be focused on males and sex, implying a promiscuous lifestyle, as well as underlining the tendency of bimbos to form groups and sticking together by maintaining a strict uniformity, which can be explained easily. Judgmental and disappearing nature of these definitions is not only an undertone, but straight away the purpose of using the term for the most people as an insult and a way to discredit someone who doesn't conform to the ideals of the person who uses it. While the Pink Bimbo Academy definition does borrow some of the before-mentioned aspects of these definitions, at least those aspects let the stereotype itself. It cannot be stated enough that this happens without the attached negativity and the moral judging. Instead, the term bimbo is reclaimed and while sticking to the roots expanded and provided with a positive, a preaching and preferable connotation. So, what is the definition of the word bimbo from the Pink Bimbo Academy? First, we have to look at the rules which the Pink Bimbo Academy has established regarding to the term bimbo. There are 8 rules about it. Number 1. A bimbo is a girl or a woman, but female in every aspect. A bimbo is a real living female being and can never be a fictional or role-played character. A bimbo reclaimed and expresses her sexuality and her femininity. A bimbo strives for bimbo perfection and believes in the ideals of bimboification. So number 5 is very important. A bimbo does not to have to be dumb. And number 6 is very important too. A bimbo has to be plastic positive. A bimbo has a pristine, perfect, artificial body with certain determining features and properties. And last but not least, number 8, a bimbo expresses her femininity through her style and has high demands on herself. So after these rules are established, we can look at the definition of the word bimbo. Bimbo is a stylized, enhanced, idealized, ultra-feminine girl or woman, explicit female who underwent the intense and comprehensive process of bimboification, with special defining features in 3 different areas. First, visual appeal, separated in body appearance and styling. Second, mindset, and third, behavior. Each of these areas contains a mandatory and crucial conditions which have to be met, respectively, approximated. Hey, it's me again from the editing room. So, at the 3 pillars of bimboification, we will look at a separate video. I hope you are excited about it, like me. If compensated by other factors, in order to fulfill the requirements of the bimbo definition. Inevitable base for a bimbo is an unmitigated female complying to the traditional social protections regarding femininity, beauty, sex appeal, and idealization. A bimbo is dedicated to strive for perfection in these 3 areas, in word, action, and deed, going after defined goals in each of the involved aspects. Furthermore, a bimbo has to be a real, living female and can never be a fictional or role-play character, either knowingly or unconsciously. Whew, that was quite hard. Thank you so much for watching my first lesson video, and check out the Pink Bimbo Academy website. The link is in the description. He makes really good papers about bimboification and bimbo themes. When you like this video, give me a like and comment. And you can subscribe if you want. And check out my Instagram. I will upload their photos and videos. I will make some stories about my daily bimbo life. Bye, rabbits!